Hello my friends, how are you? I hope to find you well. Today let's see the two stocks. The first stock is Xpev. The Xpev here. Here it has a double bottom 1, 2, and also here with a big frame. The smallest frame have a double bottom 1, 2 bottom. And here is the resistance. We are above the 21 and 50 days moving average, and now we are ready to make a breakout for the higher level, and the first target is $31 and 25 cents. Here are these territories. This is the shape. It's ready for the breakout. And the second stock is a Didi. With the Didi yesterday had a very major news. The news was that China to conclude Didi cybersecurity probe to lift ban on new users. It was a year-long probe, and now the government is preparing to lift the ban on adding new users in the next week. And after this huge news for the Didi, the Didi yesterday saw it 50%. This and today is 150% below from yesterday close. Here is the candle, but we are above the 50 and 21 moving average. I think this gap it will not close. The next target is to reach this downtrend line, and the territory is $3. And the territory is $3. The next target is to close this gap. This gap prices between $3.68 and $3.50. This is the next target. And the first lower is this line. Here $3.40. We have a stock price manipulation as usual in this stock market. The two red candles, and today I bet we will have a soaring again. Until then, you can find me on my website xpevtrades.com to subscribe for VIP trades. Until then, goodbye.